Well, I just figured out how to reset the time, but my video, I think it's still there though, but it's at 9 seconds right now on my screen, and yeah. So we have time. Let's just finish one more tower, because then I will have 500 coins, and then we could unbox a thingy, an effect thing. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause it, and I'll unpause it when it's like the next round. So yeah. Okay, guys, we are gonna redo this tower, the same tower. And yeah. Here we go. I shouldn't have did that. Oh my god. Oh my god, this person said, "We will break you into little pieces." Oh my god. Okay. Hurry up, little thingy-majig. I'm gonna try to finish this tower. Okay, hurry, 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 hurry. Someone already sped it already. Oh well. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, yes. No, they're already speeding it. No. I didn't even get a chance to speed it. Oh well, at least I'm gonna get my coin still. Okay, guys. Next thingy. Oh, I like this stage a lot. Okay. Oh god. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh, 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 oh my god, that just killed me. No. Okay. Oh well. Let's go, jump, jump, jump. We will try to finish this tower. We will probably get 5,000. Stop doing that! Oh my god. I need to stop doing that. So wait, I don't know, cause that like green thing has a control over you. So yeah. And then we jump. See, like this thing will fling you up, and then you'll probably hit that. So we need to okay. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna pause the video until I get up, so yeah. Guys, we're never ever gonna make it up. I don't know why, but we're not gonna make it up. Not gonna happen. Oh well. We'll just try. It's just because, like, those things are blocking us from us going on. Oh my god. What's wrong with me right now? Okay. See this thing right there? Don't touch the glowy! Oh, yes, let's go. Yes. Oh my god, yes. We are doing it. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm definitely in Please. Oh god, I'm definitely gonna not die. Not gonna 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 die. I got this. I'm not gonna die. Yes, guys. Yes, we have, this is, after this one, we'll have one more stage and then we will do this. And then we could unbox a bunch of, well, unbox one thing. Oh god. And we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Oh god. We got this. 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 Okay, yes. Yes. Yes, we have 521. Yes. Yes, guys. Okay. If you guys never knew this thingy right here, you could just go like that. And yeah. Not pro. Oh yeah, I made it up. Yes. Yay, let's go speed. So go speed. Let's go speed. Let's go speed. Let's go speed. Let's go speed. Okay, guys, we made it. Let's unbox something. Okay, I hope I get something good. Aw. Aw. Oh well. It was worth a shot. Whatever. Only if there's trade, I do a giveaway for some of my trails. If there's a trade in here, but yeah. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, as you already know. Yeah. And also, please follow me. Ooh, I have 51 subscribers. Who's that one person? Oh, she or he. I think it's she. She's the only one who followed me. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And you know what to do. Yeah, bye-bye.